Good YouTube, it's your boy.
Young Batman.
You already know what it is. We out here dropping buckets, boy. Yeah, and we back with another video. And this will be an unboxing video. We will be doing an unboxing on a new do-rag line called
Imperial rags
by my boy BWebb. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, we're gonna talk about the Imperial. I can't even talk right now, you know what I mean? I got a crazy list right now. Imperial rags, okay? Before we go into this unboxing, I'm gonna leave a link down where you guys can get in contact with BWebb to order these Imperial rags. Very unique. He is on the wave pages on Facebook, Natural Elites. So I'm gonna leave the link down for you guys to go on Natural Elites so that you can, you know what I'm saying, hop on the page, get your knowledge, you know, link up and DM BWebb and get you the info because it's just brand new right here. I'm honored to be able to do an unboxing and review on first line of his rags. Natural Elites is also the page from, shout out to Poppy Blasted and Just Wavy. That's pretty much their wave page. That's just one of the pages on Facebook. So you know what I mean, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and, you know what I mean, we're gonna get first look at it together. Figured I want to get first look with you guys before I hit the gym, and we're gonna go ahead and rock out. Before then, I'm gonna unrag because we talking about a do-rag, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I shouldn't even have, you know what I mean, a rag on if I'm talking about a rag. Okay, now we chilling, we here right now. We're just taking a quick look and see what we're looking like. You know what I mean? So let's go ahead and we'll get to the video. Just want to get a check. We came back from work. You know what I mean? We didn't really brush. We were ragged up all day, so let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got a real good surprise. Look right here. So this will be a good thumbnail right here. I'm sorry for the crease on my head because I had a hat over my do-rag, so you know what I mean? So you gotta watch out for it. Is that the gold and purple with the linings silk, and he told me that he was gonna make it so that it doesn't matter what side you wear it on, so there's no seam at all, so it's just straight up whatever side you want to wear it on. Yeah, this looks pretty dope, and we probably gonna go ahead and try this on right now because so we can see what size and everything. This is lit. This is fire. He's got a dope do-rag line. I can't even say it right. Imperial rags. And whoa, goodness gracious. Strings are long. Okay. Okay, guys. Guys, these strings are crazy long, okay? So you can have the biggest head in the world, and these well, yeah, this is lit. I say, yeah, go ahead, go to any Natural Elites, you know what I mean? His name is BWebb. His name is BWebb Brian or something like that, you know what I mean? That's my boy, and he's yeah. We're not gonna say much more right now. There's not much more we can say right now. There's not much more we can say right now. We just end the video right there. Enough said. These things is dope. Hit him up. I'm gonna hit him up too. You know what I mean? That's my boy. We both actually in the same. We're in the same state, you know what I mean? If y'all know where I'm from, y'all can already tell where I'm talking. We're definitely from the same state, but yeah, I check y'all. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, check out those links. Go down, do what you gotta do. I'm gonna have more videos dropping back to back for y'all. And yo, thanks for watching, y'all.